In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download and install the Unique Bible app and to start it up, and also give a quick overview of the user interface. So first go to the Unique Bible GitHub repo and then click on code and then click on download zip, and then it'll take several minutes to download that. I've already downloaded it and unzipped it into this folder, Unique Bible main. I'll go in there and make sure you have Python 3 installed. It will not work with Python 2. Type Python 3 uba.py to start it. And at this point, it's going to download all the Python modules. This will take several minutes for it to download. And I am going to speed up the video at this point. Okay, at this point, the Unique Bible app has started. And I like to use the dark mode theme, so let me switch to that. So I'm going to go to menu, UBA preferences, select theme, dark theme, and then I'll need to restart the app in order for that to take effect. So I'm just going to re-execute that command, and this time it's going to start much faster since all those Python modules have been installed. So Unique Bible app has started in dark mode theme. So just to quickly go over the user interface, I'll be going over the details of the particular parts of the user interface in future videos. But you can go to the top, and here's the menu. And this window here is the Bible window, and this is where the Bible translations will be displayed most of the time. Inside this Bible window, you have tabs, and you can display different Bibles in these tabs. On the right side here is the study window, and the study window can contain all different types of resources. It can include Bibles, notes, commentaries, devotionals, PDFs. Pretty much all the other resources will be displayed in this window. And the bottom window here is an information window. And when you hover over certain things, it'll display information. The top toolbar here mostly controls the Bible window, and the second toolbar here controls mostly the study window. You also have a sidebar here that controls the Bible window, and then you have the study sidebar that also controls the study window. Let me just quickly show how to select different Bibles. So suppose I want to view the Net Version Bible in the Bible window. I select that, and I can select a different book, Psalms 1:1. Let's display that in the Bible window. So here we've displayed it. You can also click on these to go to various chapters. Let's go to Psalm 23. Now suppose we want to look at Psalm 23 in the original languages. In the study window, we click this, and then click this study window. And then notice as I hover over these words, it'll show us more information about that word at the bottom informational window. So that's an overview of all the windows and the user interface. If you want more information about this, you can go to the Wiki pages. And click on UI GUI layout.